this is the rule as it currently exists. And again, what you see is that 1 foot in, 1 foot out. What the coach will do is to send all their players to the weak side. So the defense is only allowed to have 1 foot in the key, and they are isolating then this player. And what happens in this type of situation is really you're isolating that one player to try and score, because when they drive and the help comes, you see what happens right away. There's no opportunity to drift the ball or throw the ball to a player cutting to the bucket. All of that is cut off. So the player must be strong enough and capable enough, which again, these are older players, to throw that ball out back over their back shoulder to someone. But again, because you've got 4 players lined up, you look at how tight these 2 players, you can just barely see the second player poking out behind the first, how tight they are, and it leads to a pass that goes right between because of the poor spacing. So again, in the current rules, they encourage this type of isolation, which really is not a creative isolation. It's a go to the net and score isolation, right? In which the players aren't strong enough to make the kind of passes they would have to make, or the spacing is so poor that the passes are misdirected or are not caught. Whereas the top of the key penetration provides better spacing, better opportunities, a more creative opportunity for the player, not just scoring wise, but passing wise as well.